In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a project stage in HoneyBook, Stage Settings 2026. Let's get started by heading to honeybook.com in your web browser. When you arrive, sign into your account. If you're prompted for a verification code or any security steps, go ahead and complete those so you can proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base, where you can quickly see what's happening across your business and access key tools. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is where you'll find everything you need, and for this process, we're going straight to Projects. Click Projects to open your list of projects. Here, you'll see all your active work laid out, typically with details like the project name and current status. Think of this as your pipeline view, giving you a snapshot of where each project stands. Now, locate the project you want to update. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the name and any identifying details you recognize. When you're sure, click the project to open it. This will take you into the project's workspace, where you can view messages, files, invoices, and more. Look toward the upper right corner of the project workspace. You'll find the current stage indicator for this project. Click that stage to open your options, then choose the stage that best reflects where the project is right now. Onboarding, planning, delivery, or completed. Onboarding is perfect for new projects where you're gathering details, sending brochures, or handling initial paperwork. Planning works well when you're scoping timelines, confirming deliverables, or preparing resources. Delivery is for the active work phase when you're executing on the plan, and completed should be used once everything is wrapped up, files delivered, and the final steps closed out. After you make your selection, the project updates to the new stage. Keep an eye on the stage indicator to make sure it reflects your choice. Accurately updating stages helps keep your pipeline organized and ensures reports and workflows stay in sync with reality. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to honeybook.com and sign in, open your dashboard, use the left navigation to go to Projects, select your project, and in the project view, update the stage from the top right corner by choosing Onboarding, Planning, Delivery, or Completed. Keeping these stages current gives you a clear pulse on your workload and makes it easier to manage every step of your client process.